What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are again on Zara mobile app, and I'm gonna be teaching you how to check in-store availability for certain items. So guys, before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So all of you know that maybe you find something on the website or the app and you want to go in store to check how it fits you, and there is no site of that item. Well, basically you can check the in-store availability on Zara app to prevent that from happening. So what you need to do is go and find basically whatever you wish to wear. So basically let's go shirts. So when you find the item you wish to wear, you just press on it, and you need to scroll down a bit. So when you finish scrolling, so as you can see over here, we are having options like add and so on and so forth. So as you can see on top of in the middle of the screen, check in-store availability. You enter the size and you just press check availability. So basically I just need to enter some locations and whatever. I haven't done it, as you can see. Basically it's still on the app. It's girl items. So if I edited my favorite store or I enabled location, which we're gonna talk in the future videos, you would see a Zara stores near me which have that item. So basically guys, that's the entirety of the process. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.